Hey, Emily here from WTA. Do you feel like you've got the weight of the world on your back? Well, you need a really good backpack. This one from Backferry will do the trick. In our family, it's been a priority to pack and prepare emergency go bags, and this backpack is going to work absolutely amazingly for that purpose. It has a super large capacity, over 82 liters inside, and it's over 36 inches long and over a foot wide and a foot tall inside the main compartment. It's got heavy duty webbing and reinforced stitching, and you can carry it as either a very large duffel or a comfortable and easy to wear backpack. It's got padded straps and a chest strap, so it's not hard to wear as a backpack. It has multiple compression straps, which means that you can fill it up, but if it's not completely full, you can compress it down and still make it comfortable to wear and carry. There's 6 plastic pads on the bottom that protects your bag from friction or wear when you set it down. We are definitely going to use this as an emergency go bag. I think it's the perfect go bag for like a head of the household or as a parent, and you need to be able to carry gear for your kids as well in an emergency. But in the meantime, while we were checking this bag out, we used it for multiple things. We hiked and trekked with it, but we also used it when we needed to transport a whole lot of gear from one place to another as part of a catering event and helping people move as well. It's extremely multifunctional because of what a large capacity this bag is and how tough and rugged it is. When you're carrying a lot of weight, you need a tough backpack to help you through. I think you're going to love this one, but that's my point of view.